welcome or welcome back. We're here with an oldie but a goodie. We went for a little bike ride. We got some lunch, so we thought we'd just sit and update you guys. Here's the man, the myth, the legend, my man. So we have Subway. I'm gonna open the food and then take just a little video and we'll put it up in the corner because we're outside, right? Beautiful day here though. I'll tell you what I got on mine first. So we got what's it called again?
Great Canadian Club.
Great Canadian Club with habanero cheese, their new cheese. I get lots of lettuce, onions, cucumbers. And then I got, smoky honey mustard?
Yeah.
And lots of mayo, and then salt and pepper. What's on yours?
It's the same thing, but I got a little peppercorn ranch.
Yeah, peppercorn ranch. You get sweet chili sauce.
Yeah.
And yeah, you do now. You don't even get their tomatoes. And I'm going to try these new chips I've never had before. They're Miss Vicky's sweet chili sour cream.
Their chips or their tomatoes are always soggy.
Yeah.
Just leave them too long.
Yeah, I just don't.
Come have tomato on a sandwich and you just have bite.
No, I agree. And we got our Mountain Dew, which I finally got back in bottles, which I'm so freaking stoked for. Because before it was only in the fountain. Mmm.
Well, figure it's so nice just eat outside today.
Why not? And because we're waiting on our Shein haul, we won't have a video until this Friday. So, I thought we'd just pop in, check in on you guys. This outfit I'm wearing is from my other hauls, from our Shein hauls.
Behind us is the field to our daughter's school. We just went two birds with one stone.
Mm-hmm. So how have you guys been doing? Are you enjoying your videos? We're really enjoying making them. And we've hit 300. It keeps fluctuating back and forth, but that's normal. We're basically at 300 now, which is mind-blowing. Cheers. Oh, sorry. I'll have to bleep that out. Bleep, bleep. We were starving. We did our other job first thing this morning, so worked up an appetite. Mmm. Mmm. Just beautiful out. Pretty warm, but with our electronic bikes or e-bikes, we don't really have to pedal much.
Making it here to the school in about 6 minutes.
Mm-hmm.
Instead of before it was half hour away for a bus, then another hour till the next bus. Or a half hour walk.
Mm-hmm.
Get the sun.
With a really angry child. Not fun. What do you guys like to put on your subs? What's your favorite? This has kind of been our classic for a while.
Got everything I need on it. Ham, turkey, and bacon.
Mm-hmm.
The new star is the habanero jack cheese, though.
You can actually taste the cheese. Before it's like
You didn't know there's cheese on there.
Yeah.
The sauce is overpowered always.
It's so good because that's just a little bit of spice.
But we also buy old cheese when we shop because we like the cheese to have a cheese flavor.
Yeah.
Most of these places, especially at Subway, it's just like it's a cheddar. Yeah, it's probably mild cheddar, if anything. It's not sharp or anything.
We're having our peace before the storm. Or is it calm before the storm? Yeah. Once the kids get home. We live in a really beautiful place, so honestly, we can just ride our bikes for like 10 minutes in any direction and find somewhere beautiful to sit. We're trying to stay away from downtown. Mm, mm, mm. My favorite is Subway. I don't even care if it's not healthy.
So it has gone up for 2 sandwiches, chips, and a bottle of pop. It's $37.
Yeah. Everything keeps going up. When did we ordered pizza?
Yeah, and it was 29, and then the pizzas went up to 31.50.
Mm-hmm.
You could order pizza for everybody, which used to cost 60, then it cost 70, now it costs $100.
Mm-hmm. Everything's going up. It's crazy.
So we'll see about Trudeau's rebate. We'll be getting that. A little more GST back. It's the money we spent, so
Yeah.
thanks for giving our money back.
I wonder if he'll get elected again.
There's a lot of haters on him now.
Yeah, a lot.
What do you guys think in the comments? Maybe get back in?
Yeah. He really doesn't know how to public speak at all, which I find alarming. He has done good things, but
Kind of losing the mid-working class people now. They're not too pleased with him.
mm-hmm. Mm. Mm. We are planning on finishing getting all our camping stuff to go camping in July. We'll have some vlogs and stuff from that for sure. Our channel is randomness, but you guys seem to like the Shein stuff so much, so we kind of just been going with it. Not complaining. It's been really fun. And I've gotten a lot of new clothes, so
The next one's a lot of swimsuits.
mm-hmm. Lots of swimsuits. That way I can have a different one every day of the summer. What do you guys have planned for your summer? Like if it's your summer in whatever part of the world you live in. I want to see family if I can. Um, yeah, camp a couple times. Lake days. We have a beautiful lake here.
Probably spend more time at the river there because the kids can't make it all the way to the lake.
Mm-hmm.
We can with our e-bikes, but they won't be able to.
My mom will help us like here and there to drop us off as a family. She's retired, so. But yeah, we can get to our river at the campground actually that we camp at. We'll definitely have to take a trip to Quadra Adventure. We could vlog that if you guys are interested. Quadra is absolutely stunning. If you take a little ferry from where we live and then, but it's so beautiful.
I'm starving.
Me too. I was feeling ill. I'm feeling ill all day though, since I woke up. Back to the grind.
Well, we only have till basically Wednesday's the last full day of school.
Mm-hmm. And then the kids are home. I'm going to get back into once a week doing a cooking video. I know they weren't as popular for you guys, but I really enjoyed doing them, so I'm going to do that. Summer stuff, because we're going to clean up our barbecue. We got steak, which we're going to do for Canada Day. We got our family, well, a couple of our family members coming over to hang out with us, and then we'll watch the fireworks. But yeah, well, I want to keep doing that. I really enjoy doing them, so it'll be like in a mix with our Shein and stuff like that.
Well, about random.
Mm-hmm. I'm going to be dyeing my hair soon again. Yeah, I'm excited and nervous for summer. Long 2 months.
Gotta have structure for the children. It isn't just craziness all the time.
Mm-hmm. It's out of control
Structure
here.
for your sanity.
Uh-huh. These don't have too much flavor, though.
No?
No.
The other week.
Mm-hmm. I like them because they're so crunchy.
I don't get those ones. I'm missing teeth.
Poor ladies that were working at Subway, their air conditioner's broken. So they had like this portable one that they set up on a table.
Wasn't doing anything.
No. Like, oh, so hot in there. One thing I got to say that really bugs me, people who are rude to the workers, like customer service, like when people are serving you food and stuff, don't be rude. You know how hard their job is? Horrible.
Right.
Oh, sorry, guys. It's horrible. It's not easy.
I have to beep her a lot in this one.
Yeah, sorry. But you're standing there and people are just being rude for no reason. Like, and I know sometimes they can't really speak our language really well, but doesn't mean you need to be rude. They're trying their best to do what they can to make their living too. I don't know if that's because I worked in the industry for so long. I've watched servers just be harassed. It's crazy to me.
Yeah, but I
Seriously.
heard cheese. My mouth is burning.
Nah. I always don't notice it the first half. The second half, then you're like, oh no, she's still there. You know.
Yeah. Oh, really live stream Canada Day. Who would actually show up?
Oh yeah, that's a great idea.
Live stream barbecue and what we're doing.
Yeah, that's cool.
Just gotta watch your mouth on the live stream.
Yeah, I'll be day drinking, so gotta have my beer. It's Canada Day, eh? What about the fireworks too?
Mhm.
Could we live stream that?
Yeah, as long as there's power in the camera, I can live stream anyway.
Yeah. Yeah, we'll do that. That'll be cool. Do steak. I'm gonna do double baked potatoes, hot dogs for the kids because they're lame.
Well, I didn't buy enough steak for them anyway.
Well, it's only enough steak for me and you, anyways. I'm not sharing steak with anyone.
Oh, I know.
If they want their own steak, then they can buy it and bring it. They'll probably just be our brothers. Well, his brothers come and hang out. My mom doesn't like to bring the dog because once the fireworks start, she gets really, really scared, and we're really close to them. She lives like farther out of town, and it still scares her, but at least she's farther away. So, and she doesn't like to be around people who are drinking. Rightfully so. Drunk people are annoying. Sometimes when we sit here, their deers just walk up. It's trippy. Because we're pretty in the middle of town. Well, yeah, ish. It looks like there's a lot of forest. And there's a little chunk behind us, but that's like where the school is and the kids play in it. At like recess and stuff. So peaceful and calming, honestly. It's funny because behind the camera there's like government buildings and a church and a parking lot, but we just pretend we're in the woods. Did I say this was on herb and garlic? Because it's the only bread you should ever get it on. The only good bread there. So good.
Herb and cheese.
What did I say?
Herb and garlic.
Oh, damn it. Yeah.
Parmesan oregano is okay without a herb and cheese.
Yeah, but I love the herb and cheese. Yeah, it's a pretty chill video, guys. I'm just trying to enjoy our last little bit off before school ends and full-time parenting kicks in.
Use my 5 hours of sanity time.
Mm-hmm. So freaking good. I'm starving. My favorite thing about Subway is when you eat a foot long, you don't need to eat for the rest of the day. Because it's so much stuff. Well, guys, thanks for watching. I hope you enjoyed just a little chill video in the mix. We're waiting for our Shein haul. It'll be here on Wednesday. So Friday we'll have a video posted. And I really appreciate all the love. So yeah, just go like, subscribe, comment, okay? We're trying to keep it up. If we keep up this pace, we'll be monetized in no time. Thank you for watching. Thanks for watching and helping us grow. We appreciate all of your love. Don't forget to like and subscribe and always leave a comment. Thanks. Mwah.